Hi guys, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's check out some of their hair accessories. Let's see what they have. So here we have the foam rollers. I haven't seen these in a while. So this is what those look like. And they have a whole bunch of those. Then they have these. Okay, this is the self-stay in this size. And then they have this size. Okay, so they have the two sizes. Then they have this, I like this brush here. This, what do they call it? Trust shampoo and clean brush. I use it to massage my scalp, guys. These are really nice. These feel so good on the scalp. Then they have this double mirror. They have the smaller one, the hand mirror, and then they have the makeup mirror, and they also have it in these. Oh, look how cute. I like these. So these come in colors, guys. I'll show you that in a minute. So they have the cover rollers in the black, and then they have these. Then you can shove these in your purse. Then so these mirrors here, okay, let me see if I can turn one around. Okay, these mirrors here, these come in colors, guys. I use them for crafting, but they're so pretty though. And there's some more of the green. And look, they have this mirror here. This is new. With the, okay, so it comes with a little compact mirror, and yeah, so that's like a bonus. And then here's your hairbrush. My sons use those. Then they have that in pink, and then this over here is called the spa comb, and that comes in pink, and it also comes in black. Yeah, with the suction cup in the back, guys, you can use these anywhere. Okay, and then here they have the folding brush with the mirror. So I think that's cute because the comb part, the brush part pops in, and you can throw that in your bag. Those come in colors. So here's the mint green, the pink, and more the lighter pink, the pink, and that green. Then you have this brush. Here's a hairbrush. And here are the black and white clips, and they also come in these colors. So then they have the multi-pack of the combs. I like that because they have big wide tooth combs in there. And then here it is in the black. Okay, and then here they have a multi-pack of the combs like this. So look how cute. So then they have this kind of cushion brush, and then here's the round one. Okay, and then here's the round one. So they have it in the square and in the round. And these are the little brushes. You can throw in your book bag in blue and pink. Okay, I like this one. So if we come down here, look at the bottom, guys. I don't want to miss this. So here you have your hair bonnet. Okay, and here you have, I love these combs. Here you have these combs. These are really nice. And then they have the picks. So that's what these look like. Here's the multi-pack of the combs. I don't want to miss that. Then you have your tissues along the bottom. It's a 3-pack. They even have the emoji ones. Okay, and those are by Kleenex, I think. Then here you have this kind of brush. This one. They call it a cushion brush. That's what it looks like from the side. And then the round ones. Okay, and they have these all the way to the top here. So then these are really cute for kids. Does it have a little dog on it? Okay. This one has a dog. Let's see if they have other kinds. So this one has a unicorn. And let me see, do I see any other kind? No. Then they have the sloth. That's so cute. And there's the llama. Okay, these are plain, and that's the llama. So you have some more tissues here. This is an 8-pack. Guys, this is a good buy for $1. And look, they have Hot Wheels. So this is a 6-pack, and there's Paw Patrol. Aren't these nice? The Hot Wheels. These are a really good buy, guys. And there they go in an 8-pack. So then here's this one. Look how adorable that is. And that one in the back. So I like these hair ties. And then here's the cat band, headband. And here is some scrunchies. Here you have some claw clips. And this is a scrunchie brand. And here is a bow. And here's some headbands in the black and white all the way down. Then you have these kind of clips, jaw clips. Those are pretty. And then you have these metallic ones. And these. Then you have some elastics. Okay. And those kind. Then you have this hair donut. And they have this headband. These they call them head wraps. Okay. That one says girl boss. What does this one say? Hold on a minute. Let me move this over. Okay, I'll put that back. This one says slay all day. Is that what that says? Yeah, slay all day. And then this one says girl boss. Let me see what that one says. Guys, I don't know. This is not working for me right now. Gold digger. Wow. Gold digger. Okay. So let's keep it moving, guys. Oh, that's because that's broke. That's why it doesn't stay. Okay. So here's a bow scrunchie. Isn't that beautiful? I like that. Here it is in pink. And then look at these. Aren't these pretty? So some more hair clips. And then they have this kind. So that is gray and brown. Okay. And then this one is black and pink. And this one is gray and blue. And then they have this kind here in plastic. And look at this green and blue. I think that's pretty. So they have some more of these. These are watermelons. And these are the same all the way to the back. And here's the bandana one. So just trying to show you guys what they have so far new at my Dollar Tree here where I live. Okay, and then look at that one. That's so pretty. These over here have the iridescent bow on the next to it. Then here's the thick hair scrunchie. Okay, so that's really nice. And then they have this kind here. And then look at these bobby pins. And then they have these barrettes. And they have these bobby pins. You can never run out of bobby pins. And then those ponytail holders back there are so cute. Here's the black and white ones. I like those. And here's another bow, iridescent, and some more bobby pins. Okay, so you have some more bows down here. Here's the green and the white. And some more scrunchies. These are a little different, guys. Can you tell? I think these are nice and soft on your hair. Okay, and here it is in another color. I like those. I think these are new. This is pretty. Okay, they come in this color and this color. And then look at these. So they have these elastics, and then here's another bow, and then they have these ponytail holders right here. They're so pretty. I think those are good for your hair. And here's some more of the doggy bows. Then down here you have a basket filled with the mirrors and some lollipops with ties. That's really cute. So look at these barrettes, guys. Aren't these adorable? Look at this one. It's so nice. So then they have this one, and then more of these barrettes. And then they have these. Scrunchie makes these headbands. And then these elastic ties right here. And that's a barrette, I think. That's weird. I don't think I ever seen that design before. And then they have this kind. So they have these with the pearls. So scrunchie has so many nice things, guys. So here's another scrunchie headband or head wrap. They have this one. So scrunchie has these ponytail holders. These are really soft, guys, very soft. And here's some more scrunchie headbands. And that one over here is like a velour. I like these. And here's a head wrap. So these are metallic, guys. Look at these. These are metallic. And here's a ponytail holder with a tie in yellow. Here's another jaw clip. And these are head wraps. And then here they are in velour. Purple and that gray. Let's see. So here's the bow. And here's the metallic scrunchies. And I love this bow. So here's some more. Here's the clear ones. These, what is these? Eye candy? This is a new brand. I've never seen that brand here. Then they have these and some more claw clips. Look how huge these are, guys. People with thick hair. Okay, and then they have these down here. Now these weren't even hanging. Aren't they pretty? And then they have some earrings. So let's see, they have right here a hair accessory gift pack. And that's what that looks like. And here's some more scrunchies like this. And some head wraps. So that's what they have over here, guys. And here's a bow. And look at this one. That's very pretty. And they have some more of those salon clips. Look at these earrings. I know somebody just stuck them there. I gotta see where they're at. Some more scrunchies and some more clips. And then they have this kind right here. These are the ones that I grabbed the last time. I like those. I find hair. Then over here, look at that. They have the Christmas ones already out. Wow. So these are the Christmas ones, guys. They brought these out. And then here's some more of the bow ties. I mean the clips, the barrettes. And then here's some, is this for kids? No, it isn't. Okay, so here we have a little bit of makeup. So this is the Color Squad. Okay, this must be eyeshadow. Beauty Benefits. Okay, then over here you have the Lasting Blush. I like that pink. Glow highlighter. This is highlighter. This is blush. This is blush. And then here you have, I guess that must be lip gloss. Yep, that's lip gloss. And then these are lipsticks. And then here you have a little bit more makeup, and this is by Remy. Okay, and this is the cream lipstick. And this one here is the liquid lipstick. Okay, so guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar Tree to check out all of their hair accessories, and I will see you in the next video.